Do you want to invite collaboration in an Instagram post? You can add someone to collaborate on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to invite collaboration in an Instagram post. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Adding collaboration to an Instagram post is tagging or inviting someone to participate in or contribute to the content you are sharing. Collaboration on Instagram can take various forms, such as adding content co-author, featuring other users in your posts, or promoting products or services together. To add collaboration in an Instagram post, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Tap on the plus icon located at the top of the screen. This will open a pop-up menu with various options. Choose Post from the menu. This will allow you to select a photo or video from your device to post on your Instagram account. Select the photo or video you want to post from your device's gallery. Once you've made your selection, tap on Next in the top right corner of the screen. On the screen where you add a caption and other details to your post, scroll down and tap on Tag People. This will open a new screen where you can tag people in your post. At the bottom of the photo or video, you'll see an option that says Invite Collaborators. Tap on this option to add someone as a collaborator to the post. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for the person you want to invite as a collaborator. Once you find it, tap on their profile. You can add multiple people as collaborators on the post by repeating the step for each person you want to add. After you've added all the collaborators you want, tap on the tick icon in the top right corner of the screen. Finally, tap on the share button at the bottom of the screen to publish your post with collaboration. By following these simple steps, you can easily add collaboration to your Instagram posts. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.